We love performing for people, but more than that, we love performing with people.
Jamming with collision of rhythm.
We've designed our workshops to where people can show up without any musical experience whatsoever and leave feeling empowered.
Jordan.
We teach them some basic rhythm, some basic vocabulary, and then we actually take that and put it up on the stage.
Jamming with collision of rhythm. Jamming with collision of rhythm.
So these kids, these young adults, these youth get to show up and rock the house for their parents, for their family, for their friends, for their community.
Hey!